Look what your friend Clay the Hobbit's found. Ooh. Woo! Who doesn't love F1 Braford? About 70 of them in here. Woo! 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 I know the cattle. I want them to all come to me because I don't feel like driving. Open 3 more gates, get over there. So. Woo! Come on back, girls. Woo! Good heifers, guys. I know a lot of y'all guys want heifers to turn out, you know, to resale as breds. Guys, these are the ones. I've been fortunate enough to sell every breed. But these girls here, they weigh 6.5. Few chocolate baldies, most of them are striped baldies. Woo! Put your bull on November. Old heifers by then be weighing probably 8. Sell them next spring. They're worth 3,000 plus as breds. Right now, people are getting kind of 32 to 3,500 for bred Brafords, F1s. Woo! Come on, girls, walk closer. I don't feel like going out there and open 2 more gates because I'm tired. Come on, girls. Woo! 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 The RQ broke, but obviously I don't have any Qs. Woo! Come here, ladies. Come to Clay.